boss.
Oh my
For now.
god. Where's my steak?
You're gonna kill us.
Where's Brayden?
Brayden?
Brayden took the steak.
I hope you know. Brayden took our steak?
Brayden took our steak.
I hope you know this is gonna be sent to Brayden.
No.
It's gonna fall. It's gonna fall. Stop being a cunt, asshole.
I can't help it. My attraction. Tell me what I want to hear. Better yet, make your girlfriend disappear. We need our steak.
Well, we're in a graveyard. I'm protected. You know what this means?
Right here. Oh, perfect!